সো হ্যালো গাইস, তোমরা ভালো আছো? আর আমি ফিরে আসছি আমার একটা ভিডিও নিয়ে। আজকে আমি সাথে দেওয়াল মাইনক্রাফটের ভিডিও আজকে আর একটা আসবে, তোমরা চিন্তা করো না। আর তোমাদের একটা সমস্যার কথা বলে দিই, আমি রেকর্ড করতেছিলাম, তারপর কেন জানি না আমার এইটা কেন জানি ডিলিট হয়ে যায়। আমি যখন ভিডিও ছাড়বো তখন দেখি যে আমার ওটা নাই, তারপর আমি গ্যালারিতে যেয়ে দেখি যে আমার পুরো ফাইল সহ আমার সবগুলো ভিডিও ডিলিট হয়ে গেছে। আমি তোমাদের বলে দেবো যে আমি কী কী করছি এটাতে। ওটার পরে তারপর আমরা এদিকে আসি, আসার পর আমাদের সিরিয়াস অ্যাপার্টমেন্টে ঢোকার পর তারপর ওখানে আমরা ঢোকার পর ওখানে লেখা ছিল স্টে আউট অফ দ্য গ্রাস। তারপর ওখানে বিউটি, তোমরা যদি না তারপর বিউটি ওখানে ছিল, আর বিউটির পায়ে রক্ত লাগা ছিল, কেন জানি না, মানে রক্তের মতো ছিল, আমি দেখলাম কোনো না কোনো কিছু তো করতেছিল। আর এইটুকু তারপর আমরা ভিতরে আসলাম, আমাদের একটা নতুন বন্ধু পাইছি আমরা, কলিন, যে হলো গ্ল্যামার কিনতে পারে না। আমি এখান থেকে স্টোরি সবার পড়ছি। কলিন ও হলো, ওর কাছে টাকা নেই দেখে, ও গরিব দেখে ও গ্ল্যামার কিনতে পারে না, এর জন্যে ও বাসায় থাকে সবসময়। বাইরে গেলে ওরা আবার ফার্মে পাঠাতে হবে, যারা গ্ল্যামার কিনতে পারবে তারা এখানে থাকতে পারবে। এক্সট্রা স্কিন Did you give Faith? Oh, নাম Faith. Your money. এখন স্নো হোয়াইট কোন জায়গার থেকে আসলো? এটা স্নো হোয়াইটও আছে। এই যে কলিন, কাউচ সাফার, এই যে বিউটি, বিউটি, এই বিউটি আর এত বিস্ট হয় না কেন, এত বিস্ট। আর এটা হলো, এটা কি আমি জানি না, এটা তো চিনি না আমি। আছে দেখাচ্ছে, নিচে কিছু আছে, কি এপিসোড? নাকি আমার প্রথম থেকে ওইখান থেকেই খেলতে হবে, যেখান থেকে আমি খেলছিলাম, ওটা যাতে না হয়। এখান থেকে খেলবো, তাহলে তো ভালো। এখান থেকে হবে, বুঝছি, তাহলে তোমরা দেখতে পারবো অল্প একটু।
Damn, should have cracked the window.
ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড সাউন্ড শুনো না।
What a night. on this. Should have got a smaller one. Bluebeard's file. Never trusted this guy. Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
আজকের ভিডিওটা ওই আমি আধা ঘন্টা খেলতেছি জন্য আমি বেশি বড় করতে পারছি না 15 মিনিট বানাবো আজকের তাকে দেখি কতক্ষণ বানাইতে পারি
Should help. Hey, Colin. Get up. Hey, Big B. I'm in your chair, huh? I'm tired, Colin. It's been a long day.
Got a smoke? Thanks.
No smoking.
Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there. Exactly. You know I'm right. That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes. It also would have shown everyone how different you are now. Nice. I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
I'm doing my best here.
Clearly that is not true, what with the selfishness with the bourbon. But, no, hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
Wasn't my fault.
I get the impression you say that a lot.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
Beauty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I told her I'd lie for her.
Right, yeah. That's real nice of you. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
আমি তো খাইছি পরে এনে দিয়ে যাও। আর আমি এই পর্যন্তই খেলছিলাম, এর সাথে বেশি
Thanks,
খেলি
Bigby.
নাই। এরপরে কি হবে সেটা আমি জানি না। ওকে, এই পর্যন্ত জানি আমি খালি, এরপর সব সারপ্রাইজ। কতক্ষণ ঘুমাইছে একটু বলতো সেটা, 2 দিন ঘুমায় না।
Bigby!
কে?
Snow?
Come with me.
স্নো হোয়াইট বুঝছে। কি হলো?
Snow? Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
এটা What? আবার কি? জ্যাকেট, জ্যাকেটে কি আছে? Oh.
You-
What?
You this girl?
No.
Is-
YouTube.
She's not
আমার
a
video.
Mundy, right?
Please, demonetize করো না এই ভিডিওটাকে।
was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks... Can't place her, though. I feel like there's something you're not telling me.
The woodsman. He attacked her, I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No, you don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
So, who found her?
I did. She was just like this. I didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with. Then, I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
No. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on.
এটা অবশ্যই বুঝতে পারছি।
I'll have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
What is? It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I. Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Hey, Snow. You alright?
Yes, thanks. But you should hurry. We don't have much time left. We should head back inside soon.
Hey, Snow. You alright?
I'm really not sure how much time we have.
ব্লাড জানি এটি অবশ্যই এটা বিউটি করছে আমি শিওর
Blood.
পুরো শিওর আমি এটা বিউটি
Drops of blood.
বিউটির পায়ে
Say
রাখছে
it's been here an hour, maybe?
আমি দেখছি
No signs that it's been here long. Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
ক্যাশকান এটার মধ্যে কি থাকে বাবা
Just some loose trash.
এটাতে কি এখন
Blood. Still red. Sharp enough.
কি দেখতে পাবো
Surprised the garbage men can even find their way here.
এটাতে
Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, and left the trail I found earlier.
এটার ভিতরে কি করতে পারবো আমি
Where are you going? Are we done?
No, not yet.
ও এটা ফেব্রিকটা দেখেন
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
Someone brought her in from the outside.
That makes sense. There's no signs of a struggle. But how do you know?
I found blood on the fence, back there. Someone hopped over.
Okay, good. That's solid. So, someone from the outside. Well, at least they didn't come from inside the woodlands. I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him.
We should wait until we have more to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that. I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
What are you, blind? What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like. I work here. And what great work you do, sheriff. That didn't feel very genuine. Fucker.
Yeah.
Yes, I see. Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster.
It isn't anyone's fault. Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, is that how you see things? Sheriff, you are the one charged with... You are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Yeah, her pimp.
Her... Was she,
Yeah. She was worried about a money situation.
Well, this is just wonderful. Not only is a Fable killed, but it was a Fable hooker to boot. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow,
Yes? Sir?
call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Don't bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
আমি এই ফোর্ড কি ইউজ করব না বলাই ভালো
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and waited.
Wasn't gonna say I told you so.
You don't have to say it. It would have been better to have more to offer. Get our ducks in a row. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and...
no smoking
Never mind. Smoke away. Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? Well, that doesn't sound right.
এটা আবার কে?
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully.
এটা আবার কে?
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe. How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
A4 can use করো।
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. Where we'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian? Hi, this is Snow White, Mr. Crane's assistant. Hi, yes, I'm just calling to let you know that Mr. Crane's schedule seems to have filled up for the rest of the day. He's coming in early for his appointment.
Worth a try.
Yes, that's right.
ঠিক আছে আমার মনে হয় যে আমার আজকের ভিডিওটা এখানে শেষ করা কিছু আমার
No,
একটু
we got your
কাজও
invoice.
আছে। So,
Yes.
আমাদের যদি ভিডিওটাকে ভালো লাগে তাহলে ভিডিওটাকে লাইক করো, শেয়ার করো, সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এরকম ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য। আর কমেন্ট করো কেমন হয়েছে,
No,
কেমন
I can
লাগছে
wait.
ভিডিও। দেখা হচ্ছে তোমাদের সাথে পরের ভিডিওতে।
Yes, I mean, I questioned it only due to the amount. It seemed a bit excessive.